Today we will learn how to use this multimeter. We have different variety of multimeters available in the market for various functions. This multimeter is a basic level multimeter. All the basic level functions are available here. Now we shall learn how to use this multimeter for checking the electrical circuits and their components. This is the display of the multimeter. And we have two probes, red probe and the black probe. Red one is the positive probe, a black or common one is the negative probe. And we have a selector switch by which we can measure various electrical variables and their functions by rotating the switch. By this multimeter, we can learn DC voltage, AC voltage and DC current. While checking the DC current, the red probe has to be connected to the ampere connector. Also, we can measure diode and the wiring continuity. While checking the DC current, we have to move the red probe to the ampere side. For checking the diodes, we have to select the selector switch should be moved to the diode position, and also for checking the resistance, the selector switch should move to the ohms position. To measure the DC voltage, first we have to select the DC voltage symbol in the multimeter, and also we have to select the range of the voltage which is need to be checked. The range in the multimeter is given from 200 millivolt to 1000 voltage. And red probe has to be connected to the positive terminal of the electrical circuit, and common probe has to be connected to the negative terminal of the electrical circuit. As in this case we are using 12 volt transformer, we will be selecting 20 volt in the selection because 12 volt is lying between 200 millivolt to 20 volt. While checking the voltage of the battery, please keep in mind the circuit should be in the closed condition and ignition should be on. Similarly, for checking the battery, the red probe has to be connected to the positive terminal of the battery. The black probe has to be connected to the negative terminal of the battery. And selector switch should be in the DC voltage position. You will have the voltage displayed on the screen. The voltage of the battery is displayed on